Winter doesn't mean your garden has to look forgotten. With just $50, you can transform even the tiniest outdoor space into something truly magical. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your space for calm, cozy, and budget-friendly small garden ideas. Today we're showing you a $50 small garden glow-up for winter 2025, proving that big transformations don't need big budgets. Start by shopping smart. Dollar stores, thrift shops, and seasonal sales are gold mines for planters, lanterns, and cozy textiles. Look for items with natural textures. Wicker baskets, wooden crates, and simple ceramic pots add warmth without high price tags. Choose winter-friendly plants that won't drain your budget. Evergreens, ornamental cabbage, pansies, and small conifers are affordable and add life to cold weather gardens. Group them in clusters to create visual impact. Lighting is your secret weapon. Affordable string lights or solar-powered lanterns instantly make your space feel warm and inviting, even on the darkest winter evenings. A little glow goes a long way. Add cozy touches like outdoor cushions, blankets, or a simple bench with soft textures. These small details turn a cold corner into a welcoming retreat. Finally, focus on one statement piece. A decorative planter, a small fire pit, or a charming garden sign. It anchors your space and makes the whole garden feel intentional. Your tiny backyard deserves love, no matter the season or the budget. With creativity and $50, winter can be your garden's most beautiful chapter. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more budget-friendly, cozy small garden inspiration.